In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily import your contacts from Contacts Book to the Telegram application on an iPhone or on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Telegram app. Then tap right here to go to Settings. And here at Settings we are looking for Privacy and Security. After that, we need to scroll down to the very bottom where we can easily find Data Settings. And on the next step here, we can easily find Sync Contacts, and basically all we have to do in order to import contacts from our phone book to the Telegram app is just activate this option. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.